Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I've really come to enjoy feeding the wild birds in our backyard, and they are a huge fan of this Kaytee sunflower seed. This is my first year having bird feeders, so I am kind of a newbie, but I learned in my research that sunflower seeds were one of the best options because it attracts a wide variety of birds, and I have found that to be true. They started eating the seed right away. It didn't take them long to find it. And on the back of the bag, it tells you which birds it attracts, which is also really helpful because, again, I'm still learning. This seed could also be used in multiple different types of feeders. A tube feeder, a platform feeder. We happen to have it right now in a hopper feeder. So I like that it will accommodate virtually any style of feeder. So if you want to be sure to attract the wild birds in your backyard as well, you should definitely get this. They're going to absolutely love it and keep coming back for more. And that's my point of view.